Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our next installment in our series on brain and body based practices for nervous system regulation. We are moving into the world of incorporating movement into our practices so that we can further connect with the body. One of the key goals in healing from trauma is beginning to feel safe in your body, safe in your own skin, comfortable in your own skin. Oftentimes, we look outside of ourselves for safety. And what I want to say to you today is that safety is an internal experience, while support is something that is external. So we can get support from people in our lives. They can enrich us and help us move through something and guide us and mentor us and even just hold us and comfort us. But that feeling of safety, we want to cultivate that from within. So the more grounded and connected we are into our body, the more we are going to experience that. So, in today's practice, what I'm going to ask you to do is begin some slight intuitive movement. And I'm going to bring forward some questions, some inquiries for you to be tapping into and noticing. This is not a place of judgment. This is not a place of making yourself bad or wrong. This is just a place of beginning to notice what it's like to drop in and be in your body. And as always, you want to choose your adventure. So, you're going to move in ways that are work for your body. You're not going to strain or push. This is not a workout. Okay. You're going to be just slowing down. You can even do this practice sitting and just doing with a little bit of swaying and just attuning and paying attention and noticing. Either way is okay. So I'm going to put on just a little bit of background music just to give you a little something, a little invitation for movement. And just right from the start, notice, does your body resist moving? Does even the idea of beginning to sway or bend or move or wiggle a little bit, does that bring up any place of resistance or shutting down, discomfort? Just notice. Begin to notice where in your body you feel strong. So maybe even standing up and doing a little kind of side to side motion, even just walking a little bit here. And just starting to notice, where in my body do I feel strong? Sometimes for my clients, it's like my pinky toe. That's it. That's all I've got. The rest of me is feeling not so strong, but I can access and source that sense of strength in that big toe or that little toe. So take a moment and notice where in your body you feel strong. And just do a little comparison and contrast. Like, wow, I feel really strong in my thighs, not so strong in my ankles. I feel really strong through my shoulders and upper back, not so strong in my hands. Strong through my chest, maybe not so strong through my belly. Whatever it is, just starting to take a little inventory, scanning your body as you move a little bit. Start to notice what it feels like as you move. Does this feel clunky? Does it feel easy? Did it start out feeling clunky? And now that you're kind of moving a little bit more, you're listening a little bit more to how your body wants to move, trusting your body that it knows which way it wants to move, even if it cognitively or consciously that seems strange. Does it feel like you're moving through mud? Does it feel like you're skating over ice? Does it feel super flowy and easy? Does it feel tight and constricted? Are some parts of your body easier to move than others? Maybe you can move your lower body, but you don't move your arms. And so take a moment and see if you can bring in a little bit of movement in the hands and in the arms, opening that up. See if you can find a place in your body where you have a feeling of safe. Keep moving and keep checking. Where is there a place in my body where I feel held, comforted, secure, protected? For many of you, this may not yet exist, and you may be beginning to birth it, to create it, to generate it. You can start to notice if there's any place in the body that feels unsafe, unstable, and just send love and compassion to that part of the body. When you notice this feeling of unstable and unsafe, can you describe it? Is it sharp? Is it cold? Is it tense? Is it rigid? And then compare that to the place in your body where you have a sense of safe, and give that some words. Take a moment to check in with your breathing. Are you keeping it easy? Are you keeping it even? Has your breathing sped up? Has it slowed down? Is it shallow or deep? Notice if you want to make any adjustments there. See if you can find a place in your body where you feel at peace. There's not all that kind of anxious energy. There's just a sense of calm. Finally, is there a place in your body where you'd like to send kindness and compassion? Maybe it's a part of your body that you often judge or shame or even blame. And as you're moving, if you feel comfortable touching those parts of your body, you can do that. And just start to send love and compassion and kindness. Okay, beautiful. Bring yourself to a settled, finished position. Take a nice breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Great work today. This little bit of slowing down and just moving and being in the body is one easy way to start cultivating a sense of connection to the body, attunement to the body, and a sense of safety within the body. I can be in this body. I can move it. It's mine. I own it. I can be kind to it. Yeah. Okay. So continue pondering this concept and this idea of what is it like and what would it mean for me to feel safe in my body and to be the author and the agent of my safety. And as always, if you have questions, comments, ahas, I want to hear them. And until next time, you take good care of you.